Well, hey, fellow van lifers, this is Floki. Actually, my name's Tim, but I just love that character from the Viking show, Floki, so I named my van that and called it Floki's Van Life. Thought it might be unique, and he was a shipbuilder and a character and also loved adventure, so if he was here today, I'm sure he'd be a van lifer too. Anyway, we're going to go over this VanLife Academy product that I was asked to review. I was not offered any payment of any kind to just go over it and give my honest opinion on it. And I suspect they're doing the same thing with a lot of other van life people all the time, so they can get great feedback and just continue to build on what's already a pretty awesome course. I wished I would have had this thing when I started out, because I'm not really the best planner in the world, and this would have helped me tremendously. I probably would have ended up with a better van build, and it would have saved a ton of money. Now, I'm not going to try to go over the whole thing because it's pretty extensive, but I will go over just a few areas so you can see how well organized this thing is, how easy it is to use, and I'll also do on the end of it, I'll show you what it looks like and how it performs on a mobile device for you folks that maybe want to access it from a mobile device. So basically, when you sign up for this VanLife Academy, by the way, I think it's on 50% off right now. So if you're going to do this, make sure you do it right away. Believe me, this thing's going to pay for itself many times over. So let's go over a few items. So let's say, as an example, let's do, I don't know, is van life right for me? Big question. Every one of these is just common questions you see on these forums all the time. So here's a bunch of information about the course, what's happening. Let's say you want to get some inspiration for your build. Go to this build tab. You can say, I want to get, it just is amazing what's out here. Flooring, prepping. I mean, it goes on and on and on. Every one of you, when you look at this, the cool thing is, it's not only going to answer the questions you probably already have, but you're going to find that it takes a really long time to learn all of the stuff that's going to come up. And if you go through a course like this, you're going to be way ahead of the game, because it's going to answer a lot of that stuff for you. And they have really great tools in place that if you come across something that you have not seen, well, you give them feedback and there you go. They're going to update it. So it's an amazing tool. I recommend everybody check this out. Like I said, I'm not going to try to go over all of it because it's really just crazy involved and just really amazing, and can't say enough good stuff about this. You're going to notice some other van lifers that you might have heard of out here. They've got their own tips and information about how they did their build, and just the list goes on and on and on, and it's just, I really love this. This is a shameless plug to please subscribe and like my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. Here's one on layout inspiration. So if you're not sure how you want to lay your van out, look at how great this stuff is. And they also have recommendations in here for some other tools that they've come across, and some of us has also come across, like a Van Space 3D was one of them to help you build, and they've got their own things that they've found that works well for the build. And I tell you, if you go through this, you're going to be so far ahead of the game, and believe me, you're going to thank me later. So I hope you guys check this out. I hope you have a chance to take advantage of that 50% off. It's way worth it, and you're going to thank me for this. So appreciate your time, and I hope to see you out there. Have I told you guys lately that I love you? Can you please subscribe and like my YouTube channel? Okay, I'm going to show you guys what the Project VanLife website and course looks like on a mobile device. And by the way, if you want to make one of these icons for quickly launching back to the course, when you want to revisit it. Just quick access, just saves you some steps. For those of you that don't know how, you just load the website inside of Safari on the iPhone, and I'm sure there's another way to do it on an Android device. And then while the site is up, and this can be any site you want, you just click this button down here and say add to home screen. Now the icon that it picks is probably going to be the one that the designer of that website has uploaded for their icon for the website. So that could change depending on how they designed it. I don't need to do that because I've already done it. So I'll get out of that. So basically, yeah, you'll go to either you're going to get a link if you sign up for the course, or if you just want to go to their website, you just load the website projectvanlife.com. And I've already got the VanLife Academy up here, so you can see that it looks perfect. Looks beautiful. I don't have time to go through the review on everything here. I have been through the entire course myself just so I know the content, and it's awesome. You'll be impressed, and it just keeps growing. They're adding to it all the time, and this is really the best overall van build, van life, pretty much everything you need to know to get into this. It's pretty dang awesome. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you get something out of it and take advantage of that half off that they got going right now. And I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.